It is a beautiful September day. Clear blue skies, 85 degrees, a little bit of a southwest wind that's actually supposed to switch over to the north and be even cooler tomorrow. But we are doing truck camping and it is September, which means the archery deer season is now open. So we're doing truck camping, we're doing archery deer hunting, and we're going to do some grilling. And we are camped out. Oh, we got the sun right into the camera's view here. There we go. Now this is a room with a view. I tell you what. I was here a couple weeks ago. It was just, I couldn't even stay here because it was so windy. But the wind's not going to be an issue today. Not going to be an issue at all. And there's the camp. So, it's actually getting about 1 o'clock, so I am famished. So, the first thing is, we're going to dig out the grill and we're going to eat. So, we will pick it up when I do that. Alright, for dinner today, I got the grill warming up. So we are going with hamburgers. How about that? Just your plain old average everyday hamburgers. Now, I made these at home because I bought a fairly big package, so I just made up a couple of the patties and put them in a plastic bag. So there we go. 2 burgers on the grill. And to go on the burgers, pizza sauce, pepperonis, and mozzarella cheese. We're going to try it for some pizza burgers. We're going to spice these babies up. And it's been a very, very long time since I've done this. But we're going to try it. And I think the plan is I should have had a place to throw garbage. But the plan is to cook the burgers. Then when I flip them, I'll add on the pizza sauce and the pepperonis and let that heat up. And just before it's done, we'll add the cheese just for 20 seconds, 30 seconds, just to get it melty. So that's the plan. Now, it sounds good in theory. We'll see how it actually works in reality. Go. Big old globs of pizza sauce. Pepperonis are good. Okay. We'll let that warm up and cook the other side, then we'll put the cheese on. Whoops. That wasn't too smooth. Got cheese all over my grill now. There we go. Squish it down a little bit. Yeah, it's going to hit the rack, but oh well. There we go. I think they're done. All the good pizza-ness is sliding off this one. Oh, that was a bad one. There. It looks okay. Again, messy grill. We'll let that stuff burn off. There they are. Look at that. Let's go to the table. We got the pizza burgers. We got a Coke. And we got a view. I know it's kind of hard to see with the angle here, but it's like my view is better than yours. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I should have put more pepperoni on it. But live and learn. Live and learn. And I could throw more pepperoni on it now. I could throw more cheese on it, however you want to do it. Because you could actually do the cook the burger and not even put the sauce and the cheese and everything on afterwards. You could do it that way too. I just chose to do it this way so everything was nice and hot, good and melty, and it's good. It's good. So I'm going to chow down. Enjoy my view, and we'll pick it up later. And here's my view, by the way. Yeah, nice view. Pizza burgers were good. They were good. That's worth doing again, I think. And for dessert, homemade brownies. Yep. Mom treats me too well. She knew I was going on this adventure, so she made some brownies for me. Those are really good, Mom. Those are very good. We better have another one. They're too good. You can't just eat one. Just went for a little walk along the river here and picking up other people's trash. I don't have enough hands, but I should have brought a bag. Well, look at that. Kenny Pepper ale with jalapenos. Ben's Brewing Company. There's like 3 of them laying over there in a pile. It's like, not too sure about that stuff. I've never heard of it. Brewed and canned at Ben's Brewing, Yankton, South Dakota. Well, Kenny Pepper at Ben's Brewing. I'm not sure I want jalapenos in my ale. But we'll continue to walk along. There's a garbage can right over here because there's a boat ramp right there. The cans are just over there. So, take these to the garbage. I don't know if we can see those. But there's a school of bluegills out here with some smallmouth bass mixed in. Should have brought the fishing rod. Then I think there's a school of shad right down here too. Little ones. Yeah. We had to have seen that surface, didn't we? Well, we had to have seen that. That was a carp. There's a smallmouth right below it. Yeah, there's a group of smallmouths. Not very big, but they're with the ultralight and a small jig. I could have caught them. And see these cedars right up here? That's camp. Oh, should have brought the rod. All right, on my way in. Cornfield over here. Walked along the edge of it. It is 92 degrees. I actually turned the air conditioner on in the pickup when I was driving over here. Not your typical deer hunt, but we're gonna try it anyway. Let's get out of some of this taller stuff. So it's a little after 4 right now. Well, it's probably pushing 4:30 by now, by the time I got over here. So we'll have a 3.5 to 4 hour sit. Because I think shooting light ends at 8:30. So I'm going to continue moseying, and we'll pick it up when we get into get set up in the stand. Well, we're ready to go. It's about 5:15. Took a lot longer to get set up than I thought it would. Got my bow back here. Pack. Backup camera or extra camera. Arrows. Book. So we're going to settle in and keep our fingers crossed that we see a deer. It did cool down to 90, so we're in good shape now. Well, I made it back to camp. I ended up seeing 6 deer tonight, which was pretty good. For the first time I've hunted that stand, first hunt of the year, I ended up seeing 6. 3 does, 3 fawns. That's pretty good, considering it was 90 degrees and windy, because the wind came back up. It kind of switched around and now it's blowing pretty hard again. And I only got video of 1. Because the battery in the camera battery was flashing red when I filmed the gray heron. So the rest of the deer I didn't get any video of, because I was hoping that we'd see one of those big old bucks come out, and I definitely wanted to get that on video. But unfortunately that did not happen. But seeing 6 is, I'll take that. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So with that, I am going to fix some supper here. And what we have is avocado salami, a slice of cheese, and then I think we're going to get wild. Because I have this stuff here also. I am going to squirt a little pizza sauce on there, because why not? I have it. And maybe we should only do one at a time like that. Just in case it's terrible. And since we have the pepperonis from the earlier meal, the pizza burgers, we'll throw some pepperonis on there too. It's sloppy, but there ain't nothing wrong with sloppy. Just kind of tasty that way. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. So, as you can see, it is still windy out. And let's see what else happened tonight. Probably nothing else. So with that, we are going to, well, I am going to eat supper. Then I'm going to shut it down on tonight, and we will pick it up in the morning. Well, it's morning time. And it is 20 after 5, so I gotta kind of hurry here. I should have got up just a little bit earlier than I did. But we'll make it. We'll make it. It's still pretty dark. So, last night there was a little bit of a thunderstorm that came through. And I don't know if any of the footage worked. I did let the camera roll for a while to see if we could pick up any of the lightning and thunder, but there wasn't much. Most of it went around us, so that's good. That's good. And it is a beautiful morning. Let's see. This says 66 degrees, which I believe because I'm standing here in my t-shirt. And for breakfast, if I can get it open. Yeah, there we go. We have one of the Victor Allen's iced coffees. The, let's see, Magnum Ice Cream Double Caramel, which I've had these, and they're really good, so. Yep, that one's really good too. And to go along with that, we have a chocolate covered donut. Yes, breakfast of champions right there. Donuts and iced coffee. But I'm going to hurry up and eat here. And then we'll head to the tree stand and see if we can see something this morning. It should be a lot more pleasant this morning. Not much wind, way cooler. We should see some deer moving this morning. Plus, after the little thunderstorm last night. Should be good. We'll pick it up when we get out there and start seeing deer. Well, it's about 10:45. So I've been sitting here for about, well, a little over 4 hours. I think it was 6:30 when I got in here. And it was a beautiful morning. A little breezy at times, but for the most part it was very nice. I seen 5 deer this morning, which I got video of all 5 of them. A doe and 2 fawns that were quite a ways away that I got a few seconds of footage. And then I got some footage of 2 fawns that were at one point only, I don't know, 5 yards away. So, and the 2 fawns were around here for a long time. I didn't get a lot of footage of them because most of the time they're in the tall weeds, and you could just see an ear flicker, or you can just see the weeds moving. You couldn't really get video of them, but yeah, it was nice to see that. I know there's no big giant bucks, but it's fun just to be able to be out again hunting and having deer that close, even if it was just fawns. And then I also saw some herons. I did get video footage of one of them that was kind enough to just sit on a dead tree for a little bit. Then we got a little bit of footage of some finch, maybe, I don't know, a yellow and black bird, which was kind of unique. So I was able to get some footage of that, even though it's a little blurry, a little out of focus, but we got a couple seconds of it. And yeah, so beautiful morning, seen some activity, and the morning went really fast. It's, like I said, it's just really nice being out, able to hunt again. And with that, I think we are going to wrap it up on this one, and we will pick it up next time.